Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make popcorn chicken. Here I have taken quarter kg of boneless chicken. Cut the chicken into smaller pieces like this. I have washed off the chicken with vinegar and turmeric. Now to marinate the chicken, add quarter teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add a teaspoon of rosemary. It's optional, but if you add it, you'll get this exact taste that we'll get in the restaurants. One egg. A teaspoon of red chili powder. 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk and a teaspoon of vinegar. You can separately prepare the buttermilk and then add it to this. For the buttermilk, it's the same measurement, 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Wait for 10 minutes for the buttermilk to get formed and then add it to the chicken and mix well. I've added it directly this time. Mix well and add salt. Marinate the chicken for about 6 to 7 hours. I marinated the chicken in the morning. I am going to do this for the snack in the evening. Prepare the maida mixture. For dipping the chicken pieces, I have taken quarter cup of maida and I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of oregano, one teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, one teaspoon of fennel seeds, add a teaspoon of salt, if you have baking powder, then add a pinch of baking powder. That will give you that flaky texture. I haven't added here because I didn't have the baking powder with me. If you have it, please do add it. Only then you'll get that crispy texture. Mix all these ingredients well together and leave it aside. Before frying the chicken, keep it out of the refrigerator at least half an hour before deep frying them. Add few ice cubes to a bowl and add water. Drain off the chicken well from the marination and then add it into the maida mixture. This is the first coating. Now dip each pieces in the ice water just for a second and then back again into the maida mixture. And use your hands and rub them like this. Only then you'll get the flaky texture. Make sure that the marination doesn't go off from the chicken. Rub it kindly. Heat the oil on medium-high flame. The oil should not be on low flame. The oil should be really hot while adding the chicken. As I always say, do not crowd the pan. Add little in few batches. Only then all the pieces will get cooked from within. Otherwise, only the outer layer would get crispier and the inner pieces would not have got cooked. Fry all the chicken pieces in few batches. Fry them until they are golden brown. Serve them with some hot chili sauce and mayonnaise. This is a very simple and easy recipe to make, but it's so tasty. So please do try them at your home and please give me a comment. If you liked watching this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So bye bye until I meet you in my next video.